Hi there, welcome back to my channel. YouTube algorithm will never be able to make my channel grow without your support. So thank you very much indeed for that. Today we are going to learn how can we make 5 different logos from only one triangle shape. So let's start. Select the polygon tool from the shape tool drop-down. Left click on the artboard. The polygon pop-up window will appear. Change the radius value to 500 pixel and sides value to 3 and click OK. Center it on the artboard. Remove stroke color and fill the shape with any color you like. Select pen tool and draw a line like this. Remove fill color and give white color stroke. Select the line and increase the stroke value to 15. Now use direct selection tool and adjust the anchor points like this. Top anchor points of the line should vertically align with the top anchor point of the triangle shape. Adjust the left side line perpendicular to the left path of the triangle. Adjust the right side point this way that the right side line would split the bottom right corner angle. Now select the white line, go to Object, Expand and click OK. Now select both the shape and click minus front shape mode option in Pathfinder panel and group the shape. Now you get 2 shapes. Change the bottom shape's color to dark gray and remove stroke if any. Now again select the pen tool and draw a shape like this. Change the fill color to white. Select the direct selection tool and adjust the anchor points of the shape like this. Now select the white shape and grey shape and click on minus front option in Pathfinder panel. Your first logo is ready. Select entire drawing and group them. By using transform tool, scale, reduce the logo size to 34% and add the name of the company. Again select the polygon tool, click on the artboard. Change the radius value to 500 pixel and sides value to 3 in the polygon pop-up window and click OK. Center the triangle shape on the artboard. Remove stroke color if any and fill the shape with any color you like. Now copy the shape and paste it in front. Then right click and go to Transform, Move. Here you change the horizontal position value to 0, vertical position value to 220, angle minus 90 degree and click OK. Select both the shapes and click on minus front option in Pathfinder panel. Now select pen tool, change the fill color to any other color and draw another triangle shape like this. Now selecting the new shape, go to Object, Path, Offset Path and change the offset value to 20 and click OK. Press Shift X to toggle from fill to stroke. Now select Eraser tool and delete this part of the selected shape. Again press Shift X to toggle from stroke to fill. Select the blue triangle shape also and click on minus front option in Pathfinder panel. Now ungroup the blue shape. Select bottom 2 shapes and click on Unite option in Pathfinder panel. Now select the pen tool and draw a line like this. Press A for direct selection tool and adjust the anchor points of the lines as you need. Press Shift X to toggle from fill to stroke. Change the stroke color to white and stroke value to 12. Nudge the line down a little like this. Go to Object and expand the line. Now select the gray shape and the white line shape and click on minus front option in the Pathfinder panel. Select all and group them. Your second logo is ready. Again, we will draw the same triangle with the help of the polygon tool with the radius value of 500 pixels and sides value of 3 and center it on the artboard. This time we will color it with this teal green. Now select the line tool and draw a vertical line like this. Give it a white stroke and change the stroke value to 15. Then expand the line. Now select everything and click on the minus front in the Pathfinder panel. Ungroup the shape. Now pull up the shape a little because we need to draw some shapes at the bottom. Select the pen tool and draw a shape like this. Copy the new shape and paste in front. Now select the shape, right click and go to transform, reflect and then check vertical reflection and click OK. Now drag the shape to the left and align it with the left side triangle like this. Now select the left side of both the shapes and use the shape builder tool to give a shape like this. Drag the shape builder tool on the areas that you want to merge and press Alt to delete the areas you don't need. Do the same with right side shapes. Now select everything, right click and go to transform, rotate and change the value to 120. Now select the bottom part of the shape and color it with darker gray. Select all and group them. Your third logo is ready. Once again, draw a similar triangle with the help of the polygon tool with the same value and center it on the artboard. Color it with any you like. Now select the line tool and draw a vertical line like this. Give it a 1 pixel black stroke and remove fill. Now drag the line to the left edge of the triangle and snap it. Press Alt and drag the line to the right edge of the triangle and snap it. Go to Object, Blend, Make. Now go to Object, Blend and Blend Options. Select Specified Steps from the pop-up window and change the value to only 2. These lines are dividing the bottom part of the triangles into 3 equal sections. Now we expand the lines and keep selected. Go to View, Guides, Make Guides. Now the lines have become guides only. Now select the pen tool and add an anchor point on the bottom path at 1/3 distance from the right. Press A for the direct selection tool and select the anchor point and drag it upwards to draw the shape like this. Now we don't need the guide anymore, so clear them. Select the shape and go to Object, Path, Offset Path and change the value to -150 and click OK. Change the color of the offset shape into white for better visibility. Press A for direct selection tool and adjust the shape like this. Now select both the shape and use minus front from the Pathfinder panel. Select the pen tool and a darker gray color to draw the shadow like this. Now draw a slanting line with the pen tool and give it 1 pixel black stroke and remove the fill. Now with the help of direct selection tool, adjust the line so that it splits the top and bottom angles of the orange shape. Now remove the stroke value from the line. Select the orange shape also and divide them in Pathfinder panel. Ungroup the orange shape and select the right side one. Click on the Recolor Artwork icon and go to the Edit panel. Click on the Link Harmony color and reduce the brightness to around 80% and click OK. Select everything and group them. You can reduce the size to 34% and add the company name. Your fourth logo is ready. So you already know what we are going to do. Draw a triangle, center it on the artboard and change the fill color. Now go to Object, Path, Offset Path and change the value to -120. Select both the shapes and click on the minus front in the Pathfinder panel. Draw a vertical line with the line tool and give 1 pixel black stroke to it. Rotate the line to 120 degree and place it here. Now go to View, Guide, Make Guide and create a guide from this line. Now select the pen tool and a dark grey fill color and draw a custom shape like this. We don't need the guide anymore, so let's clear it. Now select the grey shape and go to Object, Path, Offset Path and change the value to 15. Select the eraser tool and erase this extra part of the shape. Now select both the yellow triangle and the small grey shape and click on the minus front in the Pathfinder panel. Now select all and unite the shapes in Pathfinder panel. Change the color. Now draw a white curve line with the pen tool and adjust the curve like this. Change the stroke value to 10. Now expand the curve line. Select all and press minus front in the Pathfinder panel. Ungroup the shape. Select the bottom part and recolor it with dark grey. Select everything and group them. Reduce the size to 34% and add the company name. Your fifth logo is ready. So that's it. I hope this content helped you, and if yes, ensure to give a like and be a part of this creative world by subscribing to the channel. Also, ring the bell to get notified for more tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Till then, keep learning.